What are memecoins? Start with an engaging hook. Have you ever heard of Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? These aren't just internet jokes, they're actual cryptocurrencies worth billions of dollars. Welcome to the fascinating world of memecoins. What are memecoins? Explain the basics. Memecoins are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes or jokes. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which aim to solve real-world financial problems, memecoins are often created for fun, but they've gained massive popularity thanks to their community-driven nature and viral marketing. Examples of popular memecoins. Highlight notable examples. Dogecoin. Launched in 2013 as a parody of Bitcoin, Dogecoin uses the Shiba Inu dog meme. It went from being a joke to gaining real-world traction, thanks to endorsements from influencers like Elon Musk. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Dubbed the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu offers more than just laughs. It includes features like Shiba Swap, allowing users to trade and stake tokens. Discuss other smaller memecoins like Pepe Coin and Floki Inu, emphasizing how they capitalize on viral internet trends. Why do memecoins gain popularity? Explain their appeal. Community power. A strong, enthusiastic online community drives the growth of memecoins. Memes spread fast, and so does hype. Low entry cost. With affordable prices, many see them as a fun, low-risk investment, at least initially. FOMO, fear of missing out. Stories of quick riches often attract new investors hoping to get lucky. Risks and challenges, 3 to 330. Balance the hype with caution. While memecoins can be fun, they're extremely volatile and often lack real-world utility. Many are pump-and-dump schemes where prices skyrocket temporarily before crashing. Always invest cautiously. Future of memecoins. Conclude by looking ahead. Memecoins might start as jokes, but some are evolving into serious projects with real-world applications. Whether they remain a trend or shape the future of cryptocurrency, one thing is certain. They've shown the power of community and creativity in the crypto space. Outro. Are memecoins worth the hype or just a passing fad? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content.